Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK. Today I'm showing you how to make this fabulous happy birthday car themed mini balloon column. We've got balloon traffic lights and we've got this fabulous 18-inch foil balloon car themed topper, and it's all completely air filled. What could be better? Well, it's not that difficult to make, so I'll show you. Let's get started straight away. So take some black 5-inch rounds and inflate to about 3.5 inches, which is just 2 strokes of the handle. Okay. Twist. And so the next balloon, just sort of flatten the ends, and that just rounds them off nicely. And then pass the necks over one another, wrap round a couple of times and tie. Okay, so that's your duplicate, and make another one of these. Take your 2 duplicates and just press them together and twist together. Okay, and make another 3 of these. Next, take another 2 5-inch rounds and inflate to 3.5 inches or 2 strokes of the handle as before. Tie them together. And then take 1 black and 1 green 5-inch round and inflate to the same size. Okay. And tie together. Then take your duplicates and just twist them around one another. Okay. You need to make another one of these in red and another one in either yellow or orange. Take the 2 duplicates, wrap them around one another. Take your other duplicate and just wrap them together. Next, take a cluster of 4 and either a 160 or a 260 and just wrap the end of the 160 or 260 into that cluster. Okay? Take your cluster of green and just position that so that position the balloons so that the green balloon sits in between 2 of the black balloons, and then pull your 160 through and wrap it around a few times. Okay, take your next cluster of black balloons and place on the top, pull that 160 and 260 through and just wrap around a few times. Okay, and this cluster matches the bottom cluster, so where we've got the 2 balloons and then the green and then the 2 black. So we want our yellow balloon next, positioned directly above the green. Take that nozzle and take another black cluster, position on the top and pull your 160 or 260 through. Your red cluster, position on the top so that the red is in line with the other colours, the green and the yellow, and just wrap that 160 or 260 through. And finally take a black cluster, place that on the top and wrap in the rest of that 260 or 160. So you've got your traffic light column, and what I would say is if you want to have the lights both sides, you just need to change that black balloon for a red and that one for a yellow and that one for a green. And we want to add a weight to the base. So I'm using a small sand weight. You can use a water weight if you like, and just pull that sand weight, use the neck of the sand weight and just pull it into the base. Okay, and wrap that in. And the great thing about a sand weight is that you can flatten the base so that when you put your column on the table, it stands really well. The thing about a water weight is the bottom tends to be rounded, so it's more difficult to get a heavy weight for this size of column that's going to support your display. Next, I've got an air-filled 18-inch round foil balloon, which I've tied up. If you want to know how to air inflate a foil balloon like this and tie it off, check out the video. I'll leave a link in the description below. I've got another tutorial for that. So just take those tails from your foil balloon, pull them down into the display and wrap those tails around in a figure of 8. And that attaches your foil to the display. And there you've got a really fun mini balloon column for a birthday for someone who's really into their cards. It's really commercial, really sellable, completely air-filled and super easy to do. I'll see you in the next video.